4th of July in 2002 came the flood. Starting on this day, for 1 week, the Canyon Lake area received 34 inches of rain. This caused the flooding of the Guadalupe River, which led to extensive amounts of water to come over Canyon Lake Spillway, creating the gorge. At its peak, 67,000 cubic feet of water per second came over the spillway. Normal flow is 350 cubic feet per second. After 6 weeks, flooding over the spillway stopped. The flood water continued its course until it reached the Gulf of Mexico. Canyon Lake Gorge is about 1 mile in length, a few hundred yards wide, and at points around 50 feet deep. After water carved through the limestone of the gorge in 2002, much exposure to rock and strata was revealed. Strata are sedimentary rock and soil layers with characteristics that distinguish themselves from the rest. These new exposures have opened new doors for geologists. The gorge has also created a new ecosystem for wildlife. A citizens group, the Gorge Preservation Society, oversees long-term development plans for the gorge. $112 million years ago, different species lived where the gorge and its creatures reside now. This includes the Texas state dinosaur, also known as Paluxysaurus jonesii. It measured 60 feet long, had a 20-foot long neck, and weighed 20 tons. Also, according to tracks, Acrocanthosaurus, a slightly smaller version of the T-Rex, lived here. They are known to be 40 feet in length, weigh 6.8 tons, and are found mainly in Texas, Oklahoma, and Wyoming. Many fossils remain in the gorge. Rudist bivalves are some of the more common. Both valves are generally similar in shape and oftentimes are piper-staked shape. Arising in the Jurassic period, they became diverse in the Cretaceous, being major reef-building organisms. The Earth holds many secrets, and sometimes nature reveals a trail of clues. In this case, it happens to be a pathway in the Canyon Lake Gorge.